Well, this made me think of Hamdi and Kelly and Malik. These are all remote control planes. This one's huge. I mean, huge. I mean, that thing down there, the propeller prop center part is the size of my head. Helicopters, planes, boats.
Okay. So do they respond?
Oh, well, we're not there?
Geez, Malik could sit inside that thing.
I gotta put together. Got a steamer ship. But the only thing I do have to do though is I gotta buy the actual boiler. So it's I want to get it done, do it up. It takes time to set it up, lay it out there.
You put a small dog in that thing. 2 chihuahuas would fit in that thing.